VP Costa tinochiwenga issues a statement. Tuna VP Costa nochiwenga voche magamba ravo. Aiwa panguva ino tuna VP Costa nochiwenga vari acting president. Panguva ino tunoti vanoshare ma condolence message. Aiwa kuna Mrs. Skubesiko Mangena anoonekwa kunzi aiwa she was a prominent war fighter. Aiwa vaibetsera kuti nyika yeZimbabwe iwane rusununguko kunobva subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. VP Costa nochiwenga mudanyiro achiti it was with a great sense of sadness and loss that I learned of the passing on of Mrs. Sibubesikiso Mangena, widow of the late national hero, former commander of the Zimbabwe People's Revolutionary Army ZIPRA, Comrade Rogers Alfred Nikita Mangena. Mrs. Mangena passed away on 11 May 2025 in Annandale, Bulawayo after an asthma-related illness. She was 69. Born Sikubesiko Mangena on 15 March 1956, the late Mrs. Mangena belonged to a rare breed of brave women who stood resolutely behind their spouses during the execution of the War of Liberation against the oppressive settler regime, which has brought racial segregation and untold suffering upon the masses. Her late husband, one of the pioneers of the armed struggle, was brutally assassinated in a Rhodesian planted landmine explosion near Kavanga mission in southern Zambia in 1978. His death brought indescribable suffering and agony upon a young widow now left with the burden of two toddlers, Roger, aged 2 years, and Leila, who was only 1 year old. Ndo mashoko statement no issue na VP Costa nochiwenga panguva ine vachimuchema vachimuti aiwa aikanga achibetserana pamwechete wane yespouse akupa war yeliberation kunyange zvake aiwa akazobombewa before tawana rusununguko, but VP Costa nochiwenga vari kumarecognize vachiti panguva ino is sending my condolence messages just because she also added value murusununguko renyika. Pinda comment section medu dzimafundo enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.